tank that I painted. This one's full. The kit, or the adapter, looks like this. You want the valve closed. Close the valve all the way. Turn your adapter in. Take your empty tank. This one's all the way empty. Will not light. Move igniter. Screw your tank onto the adapter. Just trying to make a real quick video. Flip your whole tank upside down and then turn your valve on. When it stops hissing, you'll know it's full. So the whole thing is filling, still filling. And then they make caps, so you can, if you're not going to put a valve on this right away, you can put a cap. So now it's full, stopped hissing. I'm going to shut the valve off, flip it back over, on thread tank. See, valve is, make sure it's closed. It'll hiss out of there if it's not. And then you can take your adapter back off. I put it back in the bag and I poked a hole in it so I can just hang this bag from a nail on my garage. So now I'm going to move this tank back. In case it still has a little bit of propane. You can do this in a well ventilated area. Do not do it indoors. So now, open this. We got heat. We got flame. If you want to know how I painted that, I just used some spray paint, splatter painted it, and kind of faded the bottom, red, black, and this splatter added a little texture. So, and I'm not gonna paint the bottom, but I'm gonna glue some neodymium magnets on the bottom of it, so it'll stick right to my bench. All right, thanks for watching. Share with your friends. Please subscribe, and if you haven't or don't know already, I use these for heating up jigs and spoons and stuff for paint. Thank you.